In this video, we are going to be looking at how to cut component mark, silkscreen and pads in eCADSTAR. We are currently looking at this via on the left hand side of the screen, and as we can see, there is silkscreen passing directly over the hole. We can remove this by navigating to Draw, Cut Symbol Mark, and then selecting the silkscreen. This can be done on a case-by-case basis or the entire board at once. There is more you can do with the cutting tools in eCADSTAR, however. Look at this 5V pad stack on the right hand side of the screen. We want to route out of it through the middle of the two pins underneath it. With online DRC on, this cannot be done without breaking the rules, as we can see when trying to place down this route. In this case, we don't want to adjust our rules and we want to route through. So, we can route through. We can see the rules that are being broken, and we can use the Cut Land tool to cut a bit of the pad on layer 1, leaving the other layers intact and just affecting where the rules have been broken in the design. As we can see here, layer 1 is being cut away and layer 2 is left as it originally was.